What's going on? What's going on? What's going on? Good morning, good morning, good morning. We are back. Man, I'm a little tired, not gonna lie. We're moving yesterday. I had to stay at a hotel last night because I didn't have all my stuff in the new house, so didn't have the best night's sleep. So people are gonna tell me that I look tired. I am tired. No, it's never fun moving, but we got a lot of stuff done. Got the boat moved, got the dock and all that, and it's a whole process. It's a whole process of getting stuff done. So, good morning, good morning.
The biggest, the largest.
Hey, the biggest, the largest. Hey, I got good news, chat. I got really good news. I don't know if it's good news or if it's just like, hey, we expected it, but the big news is, what do you think it is? What do you think the news is? What do you think the news? Anybody think? Anybody thinking? Anybody want to guess? Well, I'll just tell you. So basically, oh god. Basically, April 11th, I talked about how I opened up a $50,000 account. I put $50,000 of my own money into Optimus Futures on, that was April 11th that I posted that on Twitter, just for, you know, shits and giggles, just to show the evolution of it. And then today, the balance of that account is 152,000. So, yeah, no, nobody's pregnant. Relax. This is a day trading channel, not a fucking maternity channel. I don't know why anyone would think that I would announce the fact that I'm having a baby on YouTube. Maybe, I guess maybe I would, but probably not. Maybe not on a fucking live stream. But either way, hey, $50,000 account turned it into $150,000. Hey, you know, it is what it is. You know, it is what it is. So, I'm happy with that either way. Money, 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 money. Money, 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 money. Money. Money, 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 money. Money in the bank. There you go. I like it. I like it a lot. Happy with that. The goal for that was just basically, you know, prove to myself, like, hey, can I make money when I'm not trading in a prop firm? Is that possible? Can I do it? Because, you know, everybody was like, nah, he only makes money because he trades prop firms. But I'm like, well, I mean, it seems to work. You can see this is my actual account performance there. And, yeah. Profit and loss, 106,000. Grew the account to the moon, baby. Let's go. Account info, $4,000 a day. Took a little short. We're up 152,000. Well, we're up 100,000 basically after the fees and all that fun stuff. So, all right. I mean, I can just take a vacation now. I already made more than Tori made in one account in 1 month. So, I guess now I can just sell my course for the rest of the year. I'm going on vacation, boys. Buy the course. See you later. Peace to the Middle East. All right, what a move. What a move. Did anybody trade this yesterday? End of day? Holy fuck. Are you kidding me? Anybody? Anybody? I saw that on my phone. I got an alert. But what a fucking move. The best part about it is, if you were watching the live stream yesterday, you would have gotten long down here above this 180, 190 level, wouldn't you? Wouldn't you? Wouldn't you? Not that you would have held it all day, but I mean, either way, not a bad move there. You can also see here the opening range breakout. Look at that. Opening range breakout. We got above the opening range. We turned it into support. And then pushed up from 301 up there to the 450s. We chopped around here a little bit. And then end of day just went to the fucking moon. MMC, can you call a move today like ICT did? I called the move exactly like ICT did. What the fuck's everyone talking about? The gap fill. Long before ICT was even in the chat. We had that gap fill on the chart. Come on now. Come on now. Why y'all coming at me like that? Why y'all coming at me like that? Let's just make some money. You know, let's make some money today. All right, bigger picture. We had that big move up yesterday. We got this key level there, 20,000. We got more news today. We got, what do we got? Well, you know, if you want to find out what the news is, guess what? I have a free place for you to go find out. That's right. Go to the onlyprofitfirms.com website. It's free. You don't have to pay. And scroll down here. You can see ISM manufacturing PMI number coming out there at 10 o'clock today. Oh, buddy, we also got the global S&P manufacturing PMI number at 9:45. So we got 9:45 numbers. We got 10 o'clock numbers. Good day to be patient. Good day to make some money. Patience, patience, patience. How many contracts do I trade in the personal account? It just depends on the setup. Sometimes 10 contracts, maybe 20, maybe 30. It really just depends on like the setup, to be honest. But today, the news, onlyprofitfirms.com. Check out the news. The calendar's free. It's on the homepage of onlyprofitfirms.com. Put it on your, make it your homepage. Wake up in the morning, first thing you do, check out onlyprofitfirms.com. Get the latest deals. Ooh, just saying. Let's see, what's the best deal right now? Because no longer is Apex 80% off. So let's see. Right now, the 50K account. Ooh. Right now, what do we got? We got the Funded Futures Network, Tradeify, My Funded Futures Starter, under $100, and then Take Profit Trader there at the 50K. And then if you go look at like the 150K right now, Tradeify, basically. The problem with Funded Futures Network is they don't have Tradeivate, so I feel like a lot of people skip over them because of that. They're good guys, but it's hard to compete when you don't have Tradeivate. So Tradeify and then Take Profit Trader kind of being ding, ding, ding right there in line with the rest. So that's it. Right now, onlyprofitfirms.com. Find out the best deals always. Look at the calendar, see what the news is, and let's make some money. All right, this hourly chart, man, I'm not going to lie. It's a little tricky looking. It's a little tricky looking. A little tricky looking. You know? I don't know. I feel like there's definitely a bearish case here for a pullback. Maybe not even bearish, but just even a bullish pullback. We've got this high right here, 20,036 there on the 4-hour chart. Take a look at the daily chart. Okay. Daily chart. That 20,030 area. After that, 20,520s. That yesterday's candle. Look at that daily candle yesterday. We took out all the three of those lows and then took out the high, everything. Ran it all, boys. I don't know. Where's the Warren Buffetts in the chat? Who's got an idea here? We going up or down at open today? We're sitting right there at the VWAP right now on the Nasdaq. That white line is the VWAP holding it up there. 19,000 like 50 area. The overnight was pretty much very just like flat, other than that little pop here during the London session. We got this Asian low, London low down there, like 19,900. And then obviously the high up there. So we're like right in the middle of this range from the overnight. And there's an old saying, fuck around in the middle and you'll find out in the middle. That's what they said, at least. That's what I've been told. If you fuck around, you'll find out. I don't know. We're going to find out. We're going to find out. You're going to find out. We're all going to find out. Don't put your pee-pee in the middle. I mean, don't diddle in the middle. Right? Whatever you do, don't diddle in the middle with your pee-pee. Because it will get smashed. Both the ES and the Nasdaq right now looking very similar here. We got a pivot point there, 19,991. Pivot point, 19,991 there. $1 million question. Which way do we go? If you're just now tuning in, get in here. Get in here. Hit that like button. Let's go, baby. Hey, where's the guy? Where's the guy that said we were going to go down 3,000 points in a few days? What happened to that guy? Where'd he go? Is he still here? Hello? Mic check. Mic check. Mic check. The guy that wanted to bet me $100,000 that the market was going to go down 3,000 points in a few days. And that was last week. 3,000 points in a few days. Well, from the looks of it, maybe he was looking at the chart upside down. Maybe he was looking at the chart upside down. Maybe that's what happened. You know, sometimes you're looking at the chart, you get a little confused. Which way is up, which way is down, you know? Somebody asked, where's Ruben? Yeah, where is Ruben? Ruben yesterday was fading me. No, no, no. No, no, no. No, no, no. No, no, no. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't fade daddy. Don't you do it. All right, all right. Just sitting around here, waiting and watching. Oh, God. Dude, what the fuck am I doing? Right now, holding up there at the VWAP for now. We got the VWAP there at the 950 area. We got a lot of news today. We got 9:45 news. We got 10 o'clock news. It's going to be wild either way, my friends. So let's see. We'll see how she goes. You know, we're going to see how she goes today. MP never answered your question. Surprise. Who would have thought? Who would have thought, you know? Who would have thought? All right, just getting ready here for market open, sitting back. I think today is going to be a great day for that opening range play, especially with all the news and everything going on today. We got 9:45 news. We got 10 o'clock news. There's no rush, people. Like yesterday. Remember yesterday the market was just like chopping around. It was kind of like doing stuff, and I was like, I don't really like it. And then at 10 o'clock, you know, the news came out. We had that beautiful setup. We got long. We had a big old move up, and that's what we want to do. We want to get in. We want to get out. We want to make a little bit of money. We don't need to be right. We don't need to be wrong. We just need to make a little bit of money. And when I say we don't want to be right or wrong, it's like, hey, I'm okay. If the market goes up and the market goes up, well, you know, like, it don't matter. All that matters is at the end of the day, do I have more money in my account than I did before the day started? And that's the goal here, right? That is the absolute goal. It don't matter. It don't matter if you predict the market's going to go up. It don't matter if you predict what level, what you call out, blah, blah, blah. It matters about money. Make money, people. Money. You can see here, if you're just now tuning in, I talked about it earlier, but my $50,000 account that I opened up with Optimus Futures. This is a real money cash account, my own money that I put into it. You know, I believe in myself that much. I put $50,000 into this account. You can see today the balance is $152,000. Look at that. Would you just look at it, Chad? Just look at it. Less than a month of trading, and the and we're going to the moon, baby. To the moon. Bro is bragging too much. Hey, Gaybridge, go fuck yourself. God. Bros, I'm not bragging. I'm literally showing results. People want to see transparency. I'm showing them the results. You know, I'm literally showing. This is a YouTube channel where we day trade. And during this process, I show like, hey, look, back on April 11th, what did I post? I posted my new account with the balance of $50,000. Okay, look, this is on April 11th. Today, it is $152,000. And I posted many times. You can see there, 6,000. You can see there, where's it at? I'll post them all over Twitter on my P&L so you can see there, 13,000. You know, what else? We got girls, we got booties, we got cars, we got all kinds of stuff there on Twitter, but it's all there. There's another P&L shot. It's all on my Twitter. Here, growing, I was up 50,000 on that. There, I had, started the day with 94,000, ended the day with a $17,000 profit, 111,000. So yes, I'm bragging because I put in the work, motherfuckers. What else we got? You can scroll through my Twitter and just see all the P&Ls. I had 78,000. I made 10,000. Okay. But had 76. I think that was the same day probably. No, it was 76. I made 2,000. So, hey, you know, let them hate. Let them. We gonna play. Haters gonna hate. Daddy gonna play. Here I had $64,000 in the account. I made 12,000. Oh, God. God. All right. This is I want to crush this really fucking quick. Forex example. Today, let's be honest. Patrick is making money through YouTube. Yes, that's how I make all my money. I make all my money through YouTube. So let's just prove it. Let's just prove to everybody in the entire world that Patrick only makes money from YouTube, right? Let's just see. Let's see, right? Let's see. Let's pull up my revenue here. Oh my God. Today, my total revenue for April, if you look in April, my total revenue, $5,000. Wow, $5,000 for a whole month. All right, let's look at my trading P&L for a whole month of April. Oh, I don't know, $100,000. Oh, what? Let's do the math on that. Let's do the percentages. How much of the percentage of exactly. All right, Nasdaq right here at the pivot point, stuck there, 19,999, 991. So why do you YouTube? Well, because I used to not make a lot of money trading, and now I make money trading. So at some point, I'm going to get bored of YouTube, and I'm just going to trade full time. Rip says that your views are bots. Well, hey, it is what it is. If they're bots, then they're very good looking bots. I like you, look at all you bots in the chat. Bot, I'm a bot. Bot. I'm a bot. My P&L is a bot. Hello, everybody. My name is Patrick Wieland 5000. I am a bot. 5000. Patrick Wieland 5000. I trade and make money on computers. I am a bot. God, like I said before, imagine waking up in the morning, and the first thing that you do is go on YouTube and talk shit about a guy who makes millions of dollars. Imagine that. What a fucking sad life that you live. Just think about it. It's oof. Hey, I'd hate me too if I was you. I would hate me too, man. I'd hate me too, you know? But luckily I am him. Luckily I am him. Hey, it's better to be hated and being a millionaire than be loved and be broke. You know, hey, I'll take this life any day, my friends. I will. If people aren't sitting around saying that you're a scam, if they're not sitting around fucking questioning how you make money and how you do it, then you ain't doing it. You know, like if they don't understand how you do it, that means you're doing it right. Bro, show your bank account. Oh, you want to see my bank account? Okay. God. Show your bank account, Patrick. Why don't you show your bank account? Show your bank account. You're so poor, Patrick. Patrick, why are you so poor? Patrick! Damn. My bank account's hurting right now, chat. My bank account's hurting right now. It's hurting. I only got 651,000 or 862,000 in my account right now. Oh, man. Oh, fuck. What we gonna do, chat? Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck. Oh, God. Oh, fuck. Oh, shit. I'm never gonna be able to recover from this. Oh, God. Oh, man. Right now, the Nasdaq stuck there at the 19,990s. Ugh. Show us your credit card. Yeah, show me my dick. Raise your hand. I'll send you a picture of my big old dick. All right, we got that 9:45 news, 10 o'clock news today. I'm pretty much probably just going to sit here and relax until that happens. So I don't even care, chat. Fucking yell and scream all you want. There ain't no reason to fuck around until something good happens here. So you're not a millionaire anymore. No, that's my checking account, you fucking moron. That's my checking account. That's not my fucking actual money. That's my checking account.
PW, it would be great to see you trade again with Rake. I think it was the best trader guest in the stream.
Yeah, no, I've been talking to Jake, to Rake, about coming to the BDH real soon. All right, we're going members only here. Keep the brokies out. All right, like I said, I think no reason to do anything crazy right now. Looking a little bearish, maybe a little pullback here. We had that big move up overnight. Let's just kind of sit back and wait and watch, you know? We're just sitting back, waiting and watching. Here we go. Market is open. Got the VWAP down there at the 950s, right? There's that VWAP down there, kind of like 955. If we get below the VWAP, I think then we kind of pull back. Maybe take out that overnight low. We had that big old move up there end of day yesterday. We got the close down there, dotted line. That dotted line is yesterday's close. So that's a big old... That's about 250 point gap from yesterday's close. Gaps don't always get filled, but knowing that that's there, we just want to be aware of it. Kind of think about it. Hey, you know, just think about it. I like thinking about it, you know. I like thinking about it. So, let's stick to that plan. And right now, Nasdaq is kind of dipping down there. Mike Jamal, he's back. Let's go. So far, Nasdaq just kind of dipping. This little low right here probably get taken out there, dipping into the 30s minimum here. There it goes into the 30s now. Still, ooh, she's a dipping hard. There the VWAP now, that 950 break. Right through the VWAP down there. The next level is this overnight low right there at the 900s. It would be really kind of a perfect setup. Not saying that I would buy the dip here, but like if we dip down below this kind of like low there, and then we V back up, which like right now it's already a little bit of a V back up there, but oh, it would be ideal. Oh my, look at that. Well, that was a wild move. I was thinking we maybe dip down there below 900 and then get that kind of V back up there. You gotta love that. 40 points from the 920s back up there to the 970s. Nasty. This is why I said earlier, stay out of it. Be relaxed. No rush. Let the news come out. 9:45, 10 o'clock news. Trust me. You know, just trust me, guys. Sometimes the best thing to do at open is just to wait. Wait for something good to really form, you know? Because right now, this all it's going to do is just going to blow up your account. Trying to get in here, try to trade this. Fucking madness. So, we're sitting right there kind of at that VWAP now. Nasdaq looking like if we get back above that 980 level, probably push up there to the 20,000s or so. That news at 9:45, 10 o'clock news today. So, like I said, no reason to do anything crazy. Just sit back. Enjoy the show. Go get a coffee. Go take a bathroom break. Drink a water. Yes, the market's open. Yes, it's moving, but it don't mean that you got to trade it. We got Apple and Amazon reporting after the bell today. Good Lord. Right now, Amazon up about 3% on the day. Kind of stuck there now, just kind of stuck between the VWAP, stuck between pivot points. A lot of stuff going on pivot points. Got stuck there earlier. The ES is sitting down at the lows right now. You can see the ES is like sitting down there at the lows as well. Trying to figure out where it's going. What is this thing? And the Nasdaq right now sitting down there below the VWAP. See, like, I feel like if we could dip into like this level right there, take that out, and then start to kind of get that reversal back up, that would be ideal. Kind of clear out all these stops here, all these longs. Got their stops in there. Below the VWAP here. $1 million question. Where do we go in the next minute? The poll earlier was 60% we say we go up, and the other 40% say we go down. So just kind of holding on there for now. Ooh, little squeeze back up there. I think now it's like if we get above these wicks, then it's like, whew, could kind of be like yesterday and get that big old squeeze going. We're like right there at those EMAs. Those EMAs, 21 EMA, the 9 EMA there on the 1 minute chart. We're like right there at the VWAP again. A lot of chop here. 9:45 numbers, 10 o'clock numbers. Expect the chop. Expect it, chat. You gotta expect it. You gotta become one with the chop. Believe in the chop. Love the chop. You know, hey, you know what that means? You know when the market's chopping, you know what that means? It's meaning that it's getting ready for a move, right? We're like, hey, something good's gonna happen here. The market's got to consolidate before making a big move. Now the chat's so quiet now. Where'd everybody go? I guess all the members in the chat are actually are trading and not just yelling and screaming. ES pushed back up. Nasdaq pushed back up. It's looking a little troublesome here. Looking a little troublesome here. They've down there to the 910s. That 900 level, that low from the overnight, 869 area. Oof. Nice little bear flag playing out here right now. Got stuck there at the EMAs and all that. Pulled it down, pulling it down, chat. 2-minute chart showing that kind of bear flag there as well. But like I said, let it play out here. We got this news coming out. I mean, hey, trade at your own, you know, do what you want. Don't listen to me. What do I know? What do I know? We got Amazon and Apple earnings today. What is, you know, what is that like? Do people want to position themselves long into that? Do they want to be short into that? Like, what's the bigger idea there, I guess? I mean, I'm net long, I guess. Now that I'm a big time, you know, Wall Street Journal, you know, commentator, I am net long right now, people. I'm net long, okay? I'm net long, okay? I am net long. Yes. That's right. I mean, oh, by the way, I'm saying net long in my, like, long-term portfolio, not in futures right now. Relax. I'm not long. I am not long, chat. Relax. I forgot to say that. I was talking about, like, the TQQ. I'm not talking about Nasdaq futures right now. Probably should have prefaced that. Everyone's getting long here. Oh, God. Hey. Little bear flag playing out there. I mean, it's kind of doing exactly what we thought it would, moving down there. But again, like I said, just being patient. We've had some really good trades this week after, you know, that opening range break, after like the news and all that. So it's like yesterday. You know, yesterday was very similar to this, where we had kind of a bear flag and everybody was like, go short, go short. And I was like, no, I'll just wait. I'll wait for something like that really looks good. So that's what I'm going for. That's my new strategy, my new life strategy. Be patient. I almost had Tradeovate put like a, or not Tradeovate, but Tradeify put a deal or put a lock on my account so that I couldn't trade it until after 10 o'clock. That could be cool. Kind of like, then you're really like, fuck, now I can't FOMO at all. All right. Down there at that 900 level, there's that 860, that line, that yellow line is that low from kind of like last night right there. After that, we got a little bit of a low down there, 19,800 next. We got 2 minutes here till the news comes out. I mean, this 5-minute candle about to close here. I'm like looking at this like this could be a reversal now off this low down there. PW, did you get the Liquid Death sponsorship done? I have not got it done yet. I'm trying. They actually, Liquid Death just came out with like their own vending machine. That's what we need. That's what I need at the BDH. Look at this thing. I need this. I need this, chat. A little vending machine at the BDH. Come on. I think it'd be sick. $6,000. I don't know if I want to pay for it, though. Don't be scared. It's just water. All right, look at that. Little reversal back up here off that 900 level so far. This news coming out here in about 45 seconds. Will the bulls push? Back up here to the VWAP now. Man, oh man, oh man. All right, VWAP there at that white line, 950 area. If we get back above the VWAP, this could be the squeeze. Dropout trades. Got to try out the mellow water. I'll try out the mellow water. Mellow water. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The news is out. Bulls are trying to push. If they can get it above that 960, 970 area, it could squeeze right up there into the 20,000s next. Could just squeeze right on up there. And then obviously we got 10 o'clock news here as well. So right now, little push here on the Nasdaq. You can see kind of like why I thought that would be like that reversal setup there. How these candles are start to like wick, thick. Wick, right? There, wick. You know, wick. Little wick. Trying to get those EMAs to cross here on the 1 minute chart. Back up there. Man. You know, I impress myself sometimes. I really do. I just, you know, even though, hey, I'm getting better, you know? That's the one thing that I really want to like put out there is like, hey, I've been doing this for 8 years now and I'm just getting better every day, right? And I can always be better. Like I can always be a better trader. There's always things that I can work on, but like I've seen the progress, right? Like I've seen the results. I've seen what I'm doing. I'm like seeing the results over time and I'm like, damn, like I'm getting better at this, you know? And it's not because I read a book. It's not because, you know, anything special. It's not some kind of fucking meditation that I'm doing or anything like that. It is simply the fact that like, hey, I'm just seeing these charts every day. I'm trading every day. I'm getting here every day. I'm following the plan. I'm being patient. I'm waiting for that good setup, you know? And look at that, baby. Up there to the 19,075s. You could have taken that long there earlier. Reversal off that 900 area. Back above the VWAP now, still pushing. We got that news at 10 o'clock coming up here. 10 o'clock news. We got to get through that 20,000 area there. There's a pivot point right there, 19,990, and then the overnight high is up there, 20,035s. 20,035 overnight high now. This music is like vibing right now. All right, pulling back here to the 960s again, right there to kind of that middle of the 15-minute range. 930, 940 area is the middle of the 15-minute range. We got to see what that news comes out here at 10 o'clock. News at 10 o'clock. ES is pushing up right now. Nasdaq's pushing up. Everything's looking really good here. They get this breakout through that opening range high. 20,000. I feel like it's just got to get taken out. Will we get there? Getting tighter and tighter here. Consolidating again. Just needs one more push. Tapping those EMAs. Trying to build out a little bit of a flag here before that news comes out. And she's a ripping. All right, all right. Right there at the pivot point, baby. Did we break 20,000 there? Oh, 96s. Hey, you've waited this long, chat. You've waited this long. Just give me a little bit longer. I'm going to take you to the promised land, I promise. I'm going to take you to the promised land, chat. Just give me 8 more minutes here. 8 more minutes, chat. 8 more minutes, baby. Don't get impatient. Don't get FOMO. Don't do it. I'm telling you. I've been there. I've done it enough. I know. It ain't worth it. It ain't worth it. You don't want to blow up your account right now before this news comes out and then be all butthurt when the market moves beautifully afterwards. Right? Don't do that. I'm trying to save you guys. Trying to help you. People all, nobody wants help. I'm trying to help. See, the biggest thing between the biggest difference between me, Patrick Wieland, on the BDH live streams is when my subscribers make money, I don't lose money. Right? When you watch a prop firm live stream that's ran by a prop firm, well, what do you think happens if they help you make money? Well, then they lose money. So, I mean, I'm not pointing any fingers, but I'm telling you the truth. If every single person in my chat makes $1 million a day, guess what? Fuck it. Let's go. Let's do it. Let's all make it together. It won't hurt me. I'm not pointing any fingers at nobody. Nobody's getting no fingers pointed. All right. Just kind of sitting here at the VWAP now. This is like the perfect time. Like I said earlier, hey, relax. I meet so many traders. I talk to so many traders, and it's always the same story. Like, Patrick, I don't know what happens, man. I always, I blow my account in the first 5 minutes, and then I can pass an eval right after that. Well, I'm like, well, fuck, let's think about that, right? Let's think about that. So you blow your eval in the first 5 minutes of the day, and then you pass, or you blow your funded account in the first 5 minutes, but then magically you're able to pass an eval afterwards. I wonder why. I wonder. You know? I'm just saying. Most people, they will tell you what their problems are, and they'll be like, "Oh, Patrick, this is my problem with trading." And I'm like, and they tell me exactly, you know, they tell me exactly what they're doing wrong. I'm like, "Well, yeah, no. Yep, you're right. You just told me exactly what you did wrong." They're like, "Man, my winning trades are always so much smaller than my losing trades." So I'm like, "Well, there's only one answer to that. You're holding on to your losers a lot longer than you hold on to your winners." Which, hey, it's not easy. Trust me. I'm the biggest. I have that problem too sometimes. It's easy to hold on to a loser. It's hard to hold on to a winner. I mean, yesterday we had that big 400, 500 point move. Would I have held on to that winner all day? Probably not. Either way, but you know, looking back at it, you would like to dream that you would. You would like to think that, oh, I bought at the bottom and I sold at the top. But in reality, it's more like I bought and sold, and then I got in, I got out for 20 points. I got in, I got out for 20 points. I got in, I got out for 20 points. There you go. Look, Mark said his first trade is always red. Hey. Probably, that first, trying to trade that opening range, it's hard, man. The Nasdaq loves to give like false signals. It loves to trap, right? The Nasdaq just loves trapping. I mean, the market loves trapping in general. Like yesterday, that big move down pre-market, everybody got bearish. The market opened up, and then we ripped fucking to the moon, So it's pretty much just the market mechanics. The market loves to trap. It's that simple. So right now, just sitting back here waiting. We're watching. We got about 3 minutes here until the news comes out. Pulling back after hitting that pivot point, back to the 918s again. Let's see what happens here when this news comes out. If you're wondering what the news is today, well, don't you worry. OnlyPropFirms.com. We got the news. ISM manufacturing PMI number. They are coming out at 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock, big number. We'll see what happens. And then tomorrow we got non-farm payroll. And we got unemployment rate, all that fun stuff tomorrow. A lot of news this week. You can check out the prop firm comparison tool as well. Find out what the best deal in the industry is at all times. That's right. I got a full team of people who are just sitting there all day long running the numbers. They're just running the numbers. That's my quant. I got a guy from China. He does all my numbers. He's he won the Chinese math contest. Or maybe he got like third. I couldn't afford the number one guy, but the third place guy, I found him on Fiverr. On Fiverr, he says, I'm the number one mathematician in China. And I'm like, well, that must be legit, right? You can't claim to be the number one mathematician if you're not. What a move here. 100 points up, 100 points down. You gotta love it. You gotta fucking love it, boys. You gotta love it, man. This market is so fun. It goes up, it goes down, it goes all around. All right, so ideally, what we would like to see is maybe like this 68 level, right? Swipe that little candle one more time. That hourly candle is about to close there. We got a wick on top, wick on the bottom. They're holding that 19,900 again. If they close it, like I'm interested to see where this candle closes at. Maybe they try to close it back up into here. 30 seconds. Let's see where this candle closes at. Oh, buddy. 26 seconds till the news comes out. We're already getting some... Oh, my God. The spread right now is crazy. Big spread on the Nasdaq. Big spread. The 4-hour low. That's this one. Or this one. It's already swept that one. 8 seconds. And the news. 2, 1. Well. It's lagging. Fucking A. My computer broke. Is it just me or is it you? Is it me or is it you? Is it just you or is it just me? The candles right now are absolutely just going insane. The entire market is lagging right now. Look at level 2. If you look at level 2, like, it's just going off right now. Oh God. Anybody got level 2 pulled up? It's going off. Like literally just fucking going wild right now. Don't do it. Don't touch it, chat. Don't touch it. Let this market figure out where it wants to go. Let the news play out here. And then we'll get into a trade. No rush. Every day I'm hustling. All right, we're holding up at the bottom of the range right now. Just kind of watching here, very just patient. This could kind of either turn into a big bear flag and we sell down here, but also if we start to push up, maybe let's get back above that opening range high. That would be kind of like what I'd want to see there, just to show some strength to get back above that 19,000 area. But just because it looks like a bear flag right now, don't mean it's gonna be a bear flag, you know? Still, like we're just still in that middle of that 15-minute range. This is kind of like a no trade zone here. It's like I know everybody wants to put a trade on right now. Everyone's fucking fiending to put a trade on, but it's also like just a tough spot right there in the middle of that range. We're below the VWAP here on the Nasdaq, obviously, but Austin, Anthony said he didn't listen and he paid the price. Why you do that for? Guys, like, why come here to the live stream and not listen? You know what I mean? Like, if you're going to come to the live stream, why not fucking listen? The whole point is to listen, right? People are like, man, Patrick, I watch your live stream every morning, but I never listen to you and I always lose. I'm like, oh, okay. That sounds like amazing logic, right? That sounds like really good logic right there. Like, yeah, you know, every morning I watch you live on YouTube, but I never listen to you and I still blow up every day. I'm like, oh, then why the fuck do you even watch? So like I said, this is what I was worried about with this bear flag. Look at how now it's like pushing back up. Got this little data high candle. Maybe we get above this like 960 area. This could be the kind of push back up here. See what see, like that bear flag just got invalidated. You know, like that just, if you were short, you just got fucked. For what? You know why? Because you said it was a bear flag? So remember, it ain't about being right or wrong. It's about making money. To be fair, you also said it could not be a bear flag. Well, I mean that, yeah, because we're in the middle of this range here. There's no edge, right? When the market is just in the middle of a range here, it's not an edge. I mean, if anything, there's more of an edge that we push back up here over having a bear flag and moving down. Just the fact that if the market moves in waves, what would make more sense? That we go down from there, or do we go up higher and then go down? You know? Hey, and like I said before, it's okay. Like if I look at something and it doesn't play out or the setup doesn't work out, like that's okay. Right? It doesn't make you a bad trader. Just because you don't take every fucking setup, just because you don't take every flag, just because you don't trade every little move in the market does not make you a bad trader. It makes you a good trader. Because the biggest thing is we're waiting for an edge. We're waiting for a setup here that I'm like, oh, you know, look at that. Look at that setup. I mean, right now, what are we doing? We're just going sideways here. What's the best thing to do? Let this range break. So. All right, a little bit of trouble there, again, in the middle of the range. Now we can start, maybe this is now the bear flag selling out down there. Right, if we lose that 900 level here and start to move down. Let's see, they keep bouncing it off this 900 level. We're still in the 15-minute range there. Playing around inside this 15-minute range it's naughty. Naughty. Like, look at the 15-minute candle right now. It's just, it ain't there. If you look at the bigger time frame and this is what it looks like, it ain't good. You know, like, hey. Yeah, this candle had a big wick on the bottom. This candle had a wick. Now this candle's got a wick there. Got 5 minutes left on that. They're like, it's kind of bouncing that 900 level here. Something's about to happen. We're either gonna fucking dump straight down or rip back up here. It's just like getting very tight here. Look at how we're like kind of like just holding that 900 level. Both the ES and the Nasdaq just kind of holding up there. Tested that 900 level again.
See you in a few days. XO victory hand medium light skin tone.
That was funny. Medium light skin tone. All right, let's see what the brokies are doing. Let's see how many people in the chat, in the normal chat, have made $1 million already this morning. I can't wait to hear about it. Patrick, I told you to get short 20,000. It was so easy. Why'd you not get short there? We got 5,000 people watching right now. If you guys haven't already hit that like button, subscribe button, blow it up. We're doing it live here on YouTube. I'm about to put on a banger ass trade here. As soon as I get a good setup, I'm gonna fucking run it, boys. Whee! One of those. Do something, Nasdaq. The low of that candle earlier, 860 area. That's the low. All right there, that just 860. This is what I mean. I think if they get it back above like this 920 area here, then we could start to squeeze up all these bears. So, but that's like, that is, it's got to get, you know, like it would have to basically get back above 920 and start fucking just green candle, green candle, green candle. You don't want it like hit 920, get denied, and then right back down. But I'm not long. I'm just watching. What makes you say 920? I mean, it's kind of, well, maybe even like 915s. Back up there, there's that push through the 915s now. So now, see, this needs to like, it needs to be green candle, green candle, green candle, right up there to the high. To take out this high and then rip up there to the 20,000s. Guacamole said he was going to short right there. Whoa. Uh-oh. That might have been a bad idea. Let's see. Already there, 930s. Squeezing up here. But like I said, it's got to be like, just green, green, green. Any weakness there is going to get slammed by the shorts again. No El Slammo in El Shorto. Got the VWAP right there, the 940s. Right? VWAP at the 940s. We get back above the VWAP. The high of that 15-minute candle is like 950s. We got a new 15-minute candle opening up now. We got to basically get back above that 950 area and then see if the bulls have enough push to push. So far, they're pushing it. We're right up there to the VWAP now. Get it above the VWAP. Seems like buyers are trying to step in here now. I want to just basically get above this, like, these wicks here. We're right there at the VWAP now on the Nasdaq. Get above the VWAP here. She's trying to push. La 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 da da la 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 la. Man, look at that. I don't want to say I called it, but I mean, definitely did not get short there. All right, so now let's see if we get a little bit. I want to get like let's get this little like flaggy flag playing out here. Ashton Stewart. Hey, Patrick, what will it take you to help out a brokey? I get people all the time messaging me about asking if I can give them money. And no offense, but nobody ever gave me shit. And I've had to go through all kinds of bullshit just like everybody else. And trust me, if I give you money, it ain't gonna help you. You gotta fucking man up and go get a fucking job. You know, I had a guy the other day, he's like, man, I lost all my money trading. Can you please help me? I'm like, who do I look like? Your fucking daddy? No. I'm not a charity. This is not Patrick Wieland's fucking charity. I'm going to help everybody who has a problem. All right, we're just stuck here in the middle of the 15-minute range. Nice little reaction to that EMA there again. All right, I'm gonna try a long here. Basically just stop is like below that EMA there, and I want to see if we can't get a push up there through the 80s next. I'm a little early here, but I think we might get paid. We'll see. Let me move this to the 920s. Boo-da-boo-da. I want to see like a quick rip here. I want to start ripping this straight up here now. Quick rip needs to happen like right here. I don't want to get stuck in the 60s. I'm going to take a little bit off there at 68. Take one. Just to make sure we're locking in that profit. This is my Tradeify live funded account. Moving my stop to basically break even now. Brett Simba would be very proud of me. And then we'll see if we get some 70s. Oh, nope. We got 4 left. 4 left here. Oh, God. These are always like, these are the worst trades for me when they do, like, they just kind of chop around here some more. This is what I'm going to do. I'm going to ride it like this. We're going to ride it like this. I'm going to put some targets up there above the 20,000s. We're going to risk off this 930. And I'm going to go to the bathroom. Oh, nice. It's going up. Who would have guessed? Who would have guessed? Take a little bit more, maybe right here at 79s. Now I got 3 contracts left. Stop at break even. We'll let this, I want to get a push above 20,000s. But Patrick, you never tell me when to buy. Okay. Sounds good. Sounds fucking good, chat. The only thing that I'm worried about right now is the fact that we're like still inside that 15-minute range. So that's why I'm kind of like a little cautious here. I just don't want to like,
Thanks, Pat.
just don't want this to get stuck there. Like I said, I was a little early on this trade, so I'm okay like kind of locking in more profit here. Just, I don't want to chop around inside this range. This is a live funded account too, so I don't get the best fills, if that makes sense. Well, it's not like a sim account, so you got to be a little bit more careful with that. So I got one left. We'll see if we can get paid on this up there above the 20,000s. If not, it is what it is. Deep Dive Trading said, get short here. Okay. Sounds good, boss. Now I feel really good about staying long. I'm going to move this last contract, just trail it there at the 66s. Hey, and by the way, I just want to get confirmation, chat. Did everybody see this trade live? Did everybody see this trade live? Did everybody? I just want to make sure. Everybody in the chat, did you see this trade live? I just want to make sure that nobody's confused right now. Is Patrick Wieland, is he doing it live on YouTube right now? Just making sure. Just want to make sure, chat. I just want to make sure. Just to make sure. Really quickly. I think everyone sees it. Okay, perfect. Everybody saw it along. All right, look at that. Proof. Wow, he does it live on YouTube. How did he do it? All right, I'm going to move my stop here to 74s now. We're just trailing this up. It's just free money, baby. Free money, that's all. It's literally free fucking money, boys. Free money. I guarantee 20 points. You know? Let's get it. Let's get it. We are right there at the fucking top of the opening range high right now. We're so close to that pivot point as well. We could just rip up through there. There's a seller at 90s. I'm going to put an order right there at 92. Because I want to get filled here because I want to lock in $4,000 on this account so that I can get on the leaderboard and Tradeify. Come on, baby. Give it to me. Give it to me. Choo, 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 choo. And there you go. I swear to God. I swear to God. Why? Why does anybody doubt me? You know? Why? Why do they? I don't get it. Like, what else could I do to prove that I'm the motherfucking best to ever do it? What else can I do? Hey, where's the guy that said short here now? Where the fuck is that motherfucker at? Where? Where? Where the fuck did he go? Don't get cocky. Hey, Carlos, come here and say that to my motherfucking face, you little bitch. What do you mean get cocky? Hey, this ain't cocky. I have proven. I'm not fucking cocky. I have proven that I'm the motherfucking best. I have proven it. How many times now? I do this for free on YouTube. I do this for free on fucking YouTube. Are you fucking kidding me? Don't get cocky, Patrick. Yeah, hey, Carlos, go fuck yourself. Yeah, exactly. You never say it to my face. You never say it to my face. I swear to God. I swear to God. Patrick, don't get cocky. I fucking hate that shit so much. Like, that's literally the worst. Like, I just fucking, that right there, that I get so triggered off of that. I get so fucking triggered when someone's like, Patrick, don't get cocky. You know, be humble, Patrick. Why the fuck would I be humble when all I do is win? What? Why? You know what I mean? Like, why? What the fuck? What do I need to be humble about? What the fuck do I need to be humble about? What the fuck do I need to be humble about? I win and 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 win. God, motherfucking damn it. Oh, God. All right. Where is that? I gotta find that motherfucker who told people in the chat to get short. Where the fuck did he go? This is what I hate, right? When people come to my stream, people come to my motherfucking stream and they start, oh, this is a short. Don't listen to the fucking chat, people. Do not ever listen to the motherfucking chat. Do yourself a favor, please. Please, never, ever listen to some motherfucker in the chat that says short now. Don't do it. Don't you fucking do it, chat. You're doing yourself a fucking, you're just doing something bad. Throw up, I don't have my watch on. Look at that. Look at my watch. I got 20 bands. I got 20 grand. I got 20 grand on the, fucking wrist. Oh, man. Hey. 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 Hey, chat. Guess what, chat? We're up 10,000. 10,000 in the live. I feel so weird saying it, but like the live account. This is my cash account. I started out with $50,000 in this account. It is currently at $158,000. Imagine, man. You know what the best part about all this is? You know what the best fucking part about all this shit is? You know, like, literally the best fucking part about all this? I did not go to college. I grew up in a family that no one in my family even bought. They don't even know what the fucking stock market is. No offense. I mean, they know what it is, but my dad has never bought. He has no retirement. He doesn't buy stocks. Like, I came from, you know, just fucking good old America, right? You had to work hard. You got paid kind of life growing up. So I just want to make a point here that, like, I had no advantages over anyone else, right? There is nothing in my life that made me be prepared differently than anyone else. I put in the fucking work. I had a baby when I was a kid. I was in my early 20s and I had a fucking baby, right? Not out of my pussy, obviously, but like out of my girlfriend's at the time. Like, every single thing that I have today is because I worked hard, I put in the fucking effort, and I got to this point. And anybody can talk shit all they want, but like, you cannot deny the fact that I did it, right? I did exactly what I fucking said I was gonna do.
Stocks on ZCAR bought 10.27, sold at 16.36.
Who the fuck is that guy? Who the fuck is that guy? Who the fuck cares about your buying some fucking stock? Did anybody ask? Ain't nobody asked about your fucking stock. What the fuck? Where'd this guy come from? Who the fuck is that guy? Oh, God. Where the fuck did that guy come from? I think I'm done for the day, to be honest, chat. I told you I was going to be patient, just wait for something easy. And we did exactly that, so. Hey, and you know what the best part is? Like, check this out. Check this out. I want to, you know, like, people are always, you know, they don't want to show this kind of shit. Nobody ever wants to show this shit, but I'll show it. Look. So, since I opened this account, I don't even know, like, fucking, this year, can I do that? Does it show? Yeah. Look at this is my Tradeify live account, right? If you look here, I don't even know, it doesn't even add up right, but it's because, okay, yeah. I was in drawdown, right? Like, I literally was in I think 26,000 in drawdown? I don't know. At one point, I literally had like $10,000 left in this account. This is the Tradeify live account that I got from the straight to funded account, right? This account started out with 27,000 in this account at the beginning of last month, April. And, well, we are back in the green. The account balance is 78,457. And the best part is, like, we talked about all of that, right? Like, here live on the stream. I told people, I even made videos on YouTube. I'm like, bro, I'm going through it right now. You know, I'm going through like some action. I was just going through it, right? And that's the thing. There are just like when Rake was here, we talked about that. Like you're hot or you're not. And when you're not hot, that's the time where you got to just remember, like, hey, this is trading. Trading is not just like, it ain't just a fucking straight up fucking, you know, oh, hey, look at me, I'm just gonna get rich. Like trading at the end of the day, it's ups, it's downs, it's staying alive. You know? It's fucking staying alive, man. So, yeah, I had 2 Tradeify live accounts. I basically only have 1 now because it got to a point where I had the 2 accounts and the balances were so low. I was like, fuck it, I only need 1. So.
Need your opinion. Should upgrade my account, which is 150k account, and take Profit Trader form a pro account to a Pro Plus account?
Need your opinion. Should you upgrade your account, which is 150k account, to take profit from a Pro account? Yes, the Pro Plus account is definitely better. Look at that. Opening range breakout again. If you were long from that 940 area, boom. That's almost 80 points to the upside there. We got the 15-minute range breakout there as well. Look at that. It's still going. Your first target's kind of that overnight high up into this 30, 40 level. Congratulations, chat. Congratulations. Right now, the Nasdaq up there to the 25s. I got some emails. My old moved out of the old house that I was living in, and again some emails. Fucking landlord trying to find an email about the fucking when the washer stopped working. I had to buy a new washer, and now I can't find the fucking email. God damn it. He's like, well, I knew you never told me it stopped working. I'm like, why the fuck would I go buy a brand new washer if it wasn't? Like, what the fuck? Fucking people. Nasdaq trying to get up there to that 20,040 area. What a move today, boys and girls. Like, you know, you got to love it. You got to love it. Look at that. Up there to the 20,040s, the opening range breakout. There's the play. That's 40 points. Who got it? Who made some money there? Where was the guy earlier that said to get short? Where'd he go? The guy in the chat said to get short down here. This is where he said to short at. What the fuck? What the fuck? What the fuck is this guy? What the fuck is this guy doing? How did you flip your short side bias years ago? I never really had a short side bias, did I? What does that mean? Short side bias? I don't think so. I do not remember that. I do not remember that. Well, fuck. Well, fuck, chat. I think it's a good time to walk away. I kind of missed out on that opening range breakout right there. That would have been the setup right there. You had your opening range high. We broke above there. We pulled back into the EMA. Nice little rip up there to the overnight high now. So congratulations if you were patient and you waited for that beautiful setup there. That's 40 easy points. I mean, that's like easy 50 points. So Patrick, you don't tell your followers to buy. What are you talking about? I literally showed my entry. I showed my exits. I showed everything. What are you talking about? What are these people talking about? I showed literally the entire fucking trade live on YouTube. I don't even understand. Like, what are they talking about? PW, how's the new place? It's going. Gotta get all moved in. All right. Like I said, I think those two setups right there kind of were the plays of the day with that little breakout. We talked about this reversal off the lows. Ding, 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 ding. And pretty happy with that. Not my biggest profit day ever, but starting off the new month strong. My goal right now, like especially with the Trade Evade account, is just to stay consistent. I've been kind of hitting like $10,000 days. You know, that I probably could have had maybe a little bit more P&L if I should have stuck to my goal of getting that break above the 20,000s, but kind of is what it is. Sometimes you just got to take the profit when you see it and lock it in. It's always coulda, shoulda, woulda. You know, if this would have pushed up here and then reversed and pulled back, well, then I would have been a genius, right? I would have been like, haha, look, I knew it. But it ended up kind of pushing higher. So it's not, you just got to kind of trade and take your trades and put on the trades and get in, get out, and move on with your life. You can't go back in time. That's the thing. And you can't sit here and be like, well, man, if I would have just held longer. Because that is the worst thing that you can do as a trader. Sitting there and like trying to be like, oh man, if I would have just held, if I would have held all day, I would have been so rich. Yeah, well, you know, you could have also held all day and it could have reversed and could have chopped around. Who the fuck knows? So there it is. I mean, that's the best part too about my strategy is like, it's not rocket science. Like, it's really not. Like, you don't need to be a fucking genius to know where to buy and sell at, you know? Like, get in, get out, make a little bit of money. That's all. That's all it is. So I'm good with that. A little bit of money every day keeps the fucking, you know, the bills at bay. Pays for the Lambo, pay for the 765, you know, keep the fucking electricity turned on at the BDH, keep the internet pumping, and we're going to keep on winning, baby. I love you, boys and girls. I love you. There it is. Another day. We'll be back tomorrow for Fresh Cash Friday. Should be a good one. We got non-farm payroll tomorrow. This market it's been printing this week. We had some really good setups. These reversals have been really nice. I mean, off that 15-minute low to the high, bang, you know, it's fucking golden right now. I'm all about it. I'm loving this market right now. Like I said before, I was struggling in the last month, and so now it's nice to be like, hey, it's nice to hit an easy trade and walk away, you know? Because, you know, not every day is going to be like yesterday. I had a really big day. I made about $80,000 yesterday. So, you know, in comparison to yesterday to today, how do I feel about it? You know, people will be like, well, you know, like, you're going to walk away. You didn't make that much money. I'm like, well, I fucking made more money than I've ever made in my entire life before. Before I started trading, I would work for an entire month to make $10,000. Now we do that in a day. You know, perspective is everything, baby. You can sit here all day long and be like, man, I could have, should have, would have done it. But at the end of the day, like I said, is money in your account? Did you put money into your fucking account or did you not? Did you make money? Did you not make money? That's all it is, my friends. There's a lot of people on the internet that'll tell you differently, and they'll be like, man, you gotta trade every move. You gotta be in on it, you know, everything. I'm like, that ain't the way. It's not the fucking the goal here. Trading should be like one of those things where you can just sit back and kind of watch it and be like, all right, hey, you know, like, that's the best part is sitting through all this right here and not fucking with it. How much easier was it when it actually broke out? Because you didn't get chopped up here. You were like, oh, look what's happening. Wow, you know, like it just makes it so much fucking easier. It really does. And again, look, right off of the EMAs again, we're pushing. This is the secret. And you don't have to pay me for it. You don't have to buy my course. You don't have to buy a book. You don't have to do anything. Just do this. Just wait. Let the market fucking chop around. Let it blow up all the idiots, right? Let the market fuck everybody else up while you're sitting back just like, haha, I'm not trading this shit. You know, fuck that. Fuck that. I ain't fucking with that, you know? So, I'm happy with that. I'm fine. I'm good. If you ain't happy making a little bit of money every day, then you got problems. You got bigger problems. Motivational speaker. I'm not even trying to be a motivational speaker. I'm just trying to I'm trying to change the narrative, right? That's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to bring a very realistic narrative to trading. There's too many people out there that are going to sit here and be like, you gotta, you know, oh, fucking, you should have been short here. Oh, you should have fucking went long there. Oh man, look at it. You know, they'd be like this. And I'm over here just like, okay, cool. Have fun with that. I mean, that's not what I want to do, you know? So there it is. We're locking in some profit. We're making a little bit of money. We're doing it live on YouTube for free. If you guys haven't already hit that like button, subscribe button, you know what to do. Yeah. I see people asking about El Chapo. Well, I'm working on figuring out a way to how do we get El Chapo back here to the BDH and we got to figure out a little structure for it. We'll see. El Chapo, you fucking crazy motherfucker. But you know what they say? You know what they say? You know what they say? You know what they say, chat?
Hey.
Hey.
Say I'm the beast. The largest. Been stepping on shit since my mama stayed in them apartments. Regardless, my daddy told me keep the heat even when I'm in foreigns. I'm heartless, cause these niggas is hating on me just because I'm the biggest. The largest, the biggest, the largest. Came on my riches for hard times. These niggas just mad cause they bitching my arm. Jordan came back to the 4-5. If you play then you lay right there by your own kind. Pull up a 4 with a loco. Tell them run this bitch back like so-so. Got this rap shit here in the chokehold. Did a show out in Austin. Shout out to Bobo. Moved out the trenches, now look how we live. Tell my BM to furnish the crib. Walk out the mall with some shoes for the kids. Deposit the checks from my bank full of M's. Paid up my rent, now I'm up for the year. The view look crazy for me. When I pay for some dogs, could've bought me veneers. Check this piece on my neck, could've bought your career. Safe to say I'm the biggest, the largest. Been stepping on shit since my mama stayed in them apartments. Regardless, my daddy
Nasdaq still pushing higher there.
I'm heartless, cause these niggas is hating on me just because I'm the biggest, the largest, the biggest, the largest.
Hey.
Let my little brother roll in my Dutch. My little boy get whatever he want. Matter T don't be asking for much. Pour and lean on the nuggets and once. Spill the rest of that drink in a punch. Left wrist on some my head stunt. Right rich, I just did it because 600 the labor, you know how we coming. Tell them niggas they ain't taking nothing. Standing on business, we shooting the punch. Hey, ass nigga, go get you some money. I just got off a tour, finna go on another one. Album done, finna drop me another one. Couple M's, finna run up another one. Super Bowl ring, shit, I had to go do. Safe to say I'm the biggest, the largest. Been stepping on shit since my mama stayed in them apartments. Regardless, my daddy told me keep the heat even when I'm in foreigns. I'm heartless, cause these niggas is hating on me just because I'm the biggest, the largest,
The biggest, the largest.
Hey.
Hey. I'll see you guys tomorrow morning for Fresh Cash Friday. If you haven't already hit that like button, subscribe button, be here tomorrow morning, baby. We'll do something big for the BDH. Peace to the middle, motherfucking east.
When the lights go down, I like the way you move. When I hear that sound, it makes me think of you. When the lights go down, I like the way you move.